In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin, and in that video I'm going to show you two different ways how to do that. So first open up your settings, and there you can find Bluetooth, select that, and here you can toggle it on or toggle it off. Just tap on that radio button. Now Bluetooth is off. I can enable it just tapping on that button. There was the first way, and the second way, you can on any screen make a swipe from the right corner to open up your control center, and there is Bluetooth icon. You can tap on that, and now Bluetooth was disconnected until tomorrow. And also you can tap here on that icon to enable Bluetooth on your device. That's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.